Let's quickly talk about more breaking news coming in. While we're in Varanasi, which is voting on the 1st of June, there's something else also lined up for the 1st of June. The India Alliance will be meeting next on the 1st of June. And now we're learning of news coming in on how Mamata Banerjee is not going to be in attendance. Mamata Banerjee is going to be skipping the India Alliance meeting on the 1st of June is what we're learning now. There are also reasons being cited as we speak on how this may be happening because Kolkata is, for example, voting that day. So she wants to stay in West Bengal. That's what we're learning. But of course, raises a couple of questions once again, because very recently Mamata Banerjee had also said that she will support the INDI bloc if it comes to power from the outside, which had of course triggered a host of reactions from the Bharatiya Janata Party as well. But let me go across to Kamalika joining us with more details. Kamalika, what are the reasons that you're learning, that are being cited by Mamata Banerjee when she says she's not going to be in attendance on the 1st?
There are two clear reasons which she has pointed out. Number one is 1st June, Kolkata will go for vote, and she herself is a voter of Kolkata. So she has to be there. That is the number one thing. Number two is, Cyclone Remal has affected badly North, South, 24 Pargana and Kolkata. So she is saying that for her now, the main priority is relief of the people who have been affected with the cyclone, not anything else. That is why it's not possible for her to attend the meeting. But definitely it also politically shows that there is still a distance in this India alliance. Till the voting is not over, this distance will definitely stay because the Congress and left has fought very badly with Trinamool Congress here in the state. Okay. It has also happened in like the 5 or 6 seats in the middle of the Bengal. Those seats, if they were all together, then it would have been a different game altogether. So definitely these are the things. But it's quite clear that the reasons which she has put out, she has stated all as valid reasons.
She's going to be skipping the 1st June meeting. But is there more than what meets the eye? Because, there are different signs that have come in from her as well as far as the India show of strength is concerned. Kamalika, many thanks for joining us with the latest. A quick break. We'll be right back with lots more.